Hey everyone, we are back. We are still in 1-2 multiplying rational numbers, but now we're going to be looking at some different word problems. Woohoo! Those are my favorite word problems. I love them so much. I hope you love them too. We're going to practice them a lot this year. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Okay, so this first one. Joy, oh, I love that name. Joy completes 1/20 of her painting each day. How much of her painting does she complete in a 7-day week? So I'm basically completing 1/20 my painting one day, and then 1/20 the next day, and then 1/20 the next day, then 1/20 the next day, and I'm doing it 1/20 7 times for each day that week. So whenever you have something like that, this problem is just representing multiplication. So you're just going to go 1/20 times 7 days of the week. And this is we're just multiplying fractions. So remember, when you have that 7, you need to make that 7 divided by 1, turn it into a fraction, and then we are just going to, whenever you're multiplying fractions, first look to cross cancel and then multiply across. Multiply across. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look to cross cancel here. Well, it's a 1 and 1, can't get any smaller than that. Then 7 and 20. Any common factors there? Nope. So we just multiply across. We got 1 times 7, which is 7, and 20 times 1, which is 20. So after 7 days, I would complete 7/20 of my painting. So what does it say? How much of her painting does she complete in a 7-day week? So we can say 7/20 of her painting is complete after a 7-day week. And there we go. All right. Now it is time for our friend, the Pause Dragon. It is now time for you to pause your laptop, and I want you to go ahead and check it out, example 4, okay? This is the one that you need to try on your own. Go ahead and pause it, work it out, and then restart the video to see if you got it right or wrong. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, we are back. Mark runs 1/7 mile each day. What is the total distance Mark runs in a 5-day week? Well, he's running 1/7 one day, and then 1/7 the next day, and then 1/7 the next day. He's doing that 5 times, so that's the same thing as going 1/7 times 5. So we're just going to do the multiplication of the rational numbers again. We're going to turn 5 into a fraction by just saying 5/1, because 5 divided by 1 is the same thing as 5. And then we're going to multiply. First, we look to cross cancel, and then just multiply across. So are there any common factors between 1 and 1? No. Any common factors between 5 and 7? No, there's not. So then we just multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5, and 7 times 1 is 7. So basically that means he runs 5/7 of a mile. Okay, so what is the total? It's always good to go back and read the question and just answer it completely. What is the total distance Mark runs in a 5-day week? Well, Mark runs 5/7 of a mile. Oh, mile. Runs 5/7 miles, or mile, 5/7 of a mile in a 5-day week. If you got that one right, yoka denki mashita. You did a good job. All right, see you next time. Bye.